Hi friends, let me show you this new Pro Pet Grooming Clipper kit that I received for reviewing purposes. Okay, you get the user manual, scissors for your pets, the actual electric razor or clipper, and an extra head with a small razor. The charging cable, a brush to clean it, some oil for it, and different depth accessories for your pet's hair. Okay, this is a 3, 12, 6, 9, all millimeters, different depths from 3 to 18 millimeters. Okay. Also, this comb for your pet with a wider and narrower part. Okay. So we are going to install it like this. Okay. And you can turn it on here, and it will give you the time available, and you have different speeds. Okay. Let's try it. We are ready to cut the hair of our pet. As you can see, it's easy to do it. You see how the hair comes off? Really easy. It doesn't even feel it, okay? See? Perfect. And then you can use the comb to detangle it, okay? And get rid of the old hair, okay? Let's do it now with Choco. Let's change dogs. As you can see, it's easy to do it yourself at home, and you will be able to cut the hair, even with these scissors, to cut special areas of the pet's face or ears or tail, and with this comb to get rid of tangles from your pet's hair. So it's a great kit, and if you have one or more pets, it is great to have it with you so you can treat them in home. Thank you.